Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the real-time Agile board feature. Okay, so firstly, you have to be sure that this feature is enabled in the settings of the Agile. So for this purpose, you have to go to administration here on the top right corner and then either click here on Agile or click on plugins and afterward Agile configuration. So in both ways, it will happen the same thing. You will access the settings of the Agile plugin. Okay, so we click on configure and here is the general tab. We scroll down and see the real-time Agile boards. Please make sure to enable this feature and then click on apply. Afterward, you're going to have the feature on your board. So I'm going to show you in detail how this feature works, so you will understand what I'm talking about now. Okay, so we click on projects now, and I'm going to create one new project for testing purposes. So I'm going to name it testing the Agile real-time feature. All right, so we make it public. We enable both Agile and Agile backlog features. I mean, actually modules, and create this project. Okay, so we put some trackers, so we are going to be able to create some new tickets and click on save. Okay, so currently into this Redmine, we are logged in as administrator, all right? Okay, so I'm going to create a couple of issues in the Agile board. Currently there are no issues at all, so I create testing one ticket. All right, so I go to the Agile board and see that it is here. So I create one more. It could be test card Agile 2 and yeah, card number 3. Okay, issue number 4 and the testing one number 5. Okay, we got 5 tickets now created on Agile board, and currently we are into this Redmine as just logged in as a Redmine user, which is the administrator in the current case, but this doesn't matter for the particular case. I'm going to open another browser, this one, and I access our demo server where we're doing our tests. So this is, of course, you could do as many as you wish tests on demo.redmineup.com. The credentials are username admin and password admin. Okay, so in this current case, we are anonymous, so we are not signed in into this Redmine. So just a not logged in user. Okay, so we minimize this window and go to Agile. Sorry, not to Agile, but to projects, and access the project we have just created. So this is the board of Agile, and yeah, I minimize this window as well, so we could just watch what is happening. So imagine that this Redmine here is somewhere else. For example, another computer or other guy or lady is using this Redmine, or it is another computer, another room, or another building, or in other city, or even in another country. So no matter where this another guy that is logged into Redmine or is an anonymous user in the current case, he's going to have the changes that this guy is going to make. So for example, I grab this ticket and move it to in progress column. And we see that here it is automatically moved. So this is the feature itself. Okay, so let's try something else. We grab this ticket and move it to resolved, and we see that here it is automatically moved as well. This is the real-time Agile board feature. It is happening in real time. Okay, So we also move this one here, and yeah, this one here. It is automatically happening. And of course, if you wish to return them back, there is no problem. It is also done in real time for the other user as well. So to say again, it is currently anonymous user. There is nobody signed in here. Just wanted to say that it is happening in real time, no matter if this is anonymous user or it is some other Redmine user or it is some other administrator or everybody else uh, somewhere else in other Redmine, another computer, and it is happening automatically in real time for all other computers and all other Redmine profiles and accounts. It is the feature of real time on the Agile board. Okay, so a couple of more things that I wanted to say is that this particular feature of Redmine Agile is available since a specific version of Redmine. So just to check what was it. So you have to go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and you have to go to help and support and then Agile. And here in the very bottom, you could see all the full logs of Agile. So all the new features and bug fixes and everything for all the versions of Agile that we have released in the time before. Yeah, in the future as well, we're going to update the logs here. Okay, so just to search for real time. Uh, just one moment, please. Actually, the feature itself was named here, I think, as far as I remember. Yeah, this is it. So added async board update. Okay, so this is actually async board means real-time board. So this is the feature itself, and it was added in the version 167 in the date of 2nd February 2024. So after this version, including this, all above versions have this feature. So yeah, if you have some old Agile plugin, old version below this, unfortunately, you will not have this feature, but yeah, there are some updating license options and discounts. Please contact us for more detail. So yeah, this is important thing that you have to know about the version of Agile when it was released and when this feature is available. Okay, and the other thing that I wanted to show you is that if you have some problems with the board, for example, you have set this option enabled and even afterward you do not have the possibility for running this feature and the real-time board is not working for you, then you have to fix it in this way. You have to go to help and support again and Agile documentation, and here you will see Redmine Agile board real time. So here there is some description of the feature, the one that I'm showing you in this video, and also here is how to enable, disable the feature. Yeah, this is the option that you have already checked, and here are passenger settings. So if you're a user of passenger, then you need to do these settings and apply it in your configuration. And yeah, so afterward you will have the Agile real-time board feature running successfully. Okay, and if you still have some problems, or if you would like to share some feedback with us, or if you'd like to just say hello to our team, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers are going to help you in every question that you have. So thank you very much for the patience of watching this video, and if you have any other questions and problems, yeah, just say please contact us again. So thanks again, and bye bye for now.